Hey guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Discord account. So if you want to disable Discord account, open your Discord first or log into Discord. Then click on this user settings. After that, you'll find under the account, my account, scroll down and you'll find here disable account. In the red button, click on disable account and it will pop up a final window by asking, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all of your servers to your own. So that means if you want to delete this or disable this account, you must transfer your ownership of your server to someone, any guy, any of your friends. Just transfer this ownership, all of your servers, all of these servers you can see. Just transfer this ownership and then come back to my account, and if you click on this disable account, that will be confirmation here. Click on confirmation and your account will be disabled. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.